Today, you will learn how to add hyperlinks in Microsoft Word in the easiest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Microsoft Word document and type any text. Now, select the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. After selecting the text, right-click on it and choose Link. This will open the Insert Hyperlink window. There is also a very quick shortcut you should remember. Press Ctrl K on Windows or Command K on Mac to open this window instantly without right-clicking. To link your text to a website, select Existing File or Web Page from the left side of the window. Then go to the address box at the bottom and type or paste the website URL that you want to connect to this text. After entering the URL, click OK. You will notice that your text becomes blue and underlined. This means the hyperlink is active. To open the link, press and hold the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, and then click the text. Your default web browser will open that web page. If you ever want to change the website link, simply right-click the hyperlinked text and select Edit Hyperlink. Enter the new website address and click OK. If you want to remove the link completely, right-click and choose Remove Hyperlink. The text will return to normal. Now let's see how to link your text to a file or folder on your computer. Select the text you want to hyperlink and press Ctrl K on Windows or Command K on Mac. Choose Existing File or Web Page again, but this time click on the Browse for File icon. Find the file or folder you want to link and select it. You will see its path appear in the address box. Click OK. Now, when you press Ctrl or Command and click that text, Word will open that file or folder directly. You can also change or remove this file link anytime by right-clicking the hyperlink and selecting Edit Hyperlink or Remove Hyperlink. Microsoft Word also allows you to create a hyperlink that opens a brand new document. Select your text and press Ctrl K or Command K. From the left side, choose Create New Document. Give your new document a name, choose where it should be saved, and decide whether you want to edit it now or later. Click OK and the hyperlink will be created. When you click it, Word will open that new document. Another very useful feature is linking to a specific place inside your own document. This is helpful for long documents like assignments, reports, or books. Select the text you want to hyperlink and press Ctrl K or Command K. Choose Place in this document from the sidebar. You will see a list of headings and bookmarks from your document. Select the section you want to jump to and click OK. Now, when you press Ctrl or Command and click that text, Word will take you directly to that section. You can even create a hyperlink that opens an email message. Select the text and press Ctrl K or Command K. Choose Email Address from the left side. Type the email address you want to link to. You can also add a subject if you want. Click OK. Now, when someone presses Ctrl or Command and clicks this text, their default email app will open with a new message ready to send to that address. At any time, you can right-click this email hyperlink to edit or remove it, just like other links. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Microsoft Word tutorials.